Hey, good afternoon, Adel. This is Sally over at Toyota of Melbourne. Just wanted to come out and just shoot you a quick video of some of the pre-owned vehicles that I have here in my inventory. I do have other makes and models outside of Toyotas available as well. Here, the majority of my cars and SUVs, and being that it was Memorial Day weekend over the last weekend and last day of the month as well, we do have a lot of trade-ins that we took in. We have about 700 vehicles here in our inventory, brand new and pre-owned, combination of both, so majority brand new though. Here are a couple of my brand new 2020 Toyota Corollas, and I'd certainly love to help you out any way that I can with trying to find the right vehicle for you. If you have any questions before you stop in tomorrow, just feel free to give me a call, okay? My number here is 321-254-8888. My extension is 349. Hope you enjoyed this quick video, and I certainly look forward to meeting with you tomorrow.